Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you about how to create campaign manager account. Well guys, campaign manager account is kind of a ad account which we create in the LinkedIn platform so that we can run and manage campaigns through this particular account, right? So it is kind of a same as we do on Facebook with our ads manager account. In Facebook we create ads manager account so that we can manage campaigns and run ads through that account, but in LinkedIn we need to create campaign manager account so that we can manage and run campaign and ads through this account. Right now let's directly jump into my LinkedIn account and create one fresh campaign manager account so that we can proceed further in this course and create ads and all. Right now let's directly jump into my LinkedIn platform. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in the home section of my account, and this account is totally the demo which I have created in this course itself, and this is the proper account. This is not just any fake account or like that. This is just a demo account. Right now here you need to go to for business option. Here you'll be able to see just right side of your profile picture or this me section. You'll be able to see for business option. When you click on this, you'll be able to see basically tools which will help you to grow your businesses, right? So here you'll be able to see advertise option. Click on this, and when you click on this, you will be able to see the URL that says linkedin.com/campaign manager/new advertiser, because we are new advertiser right now. And once the page properly gets loaded, you will be able to see like this. Now here if you scroll a little bit down, here you need to enter some details like your account name and the page you want to associate with this particular account, right? So we do have only one page in this account, and that is Marketing Fundas Global Demo, and you can keep the name basically same as your LinkedIn page, but if you want you can change it as well. It is totally up to you, right? But I'm going with the same name. I don't want to change it. Right, let's go with Marketing Fundas Global Demo. Now here if you want you can change the currency as well. By default it is set on USD. If you want you can change it to another country's currency. These you get options, right? These are the options you get. Now I'm going with the USD option, and now you just hit you have to click on agree and create account, and your campaign manager account will be created. Now as you can see, it is showing that we are upgrading your account security because now we are going to use this account to run ads, so the account security should be robust. That's why it is asking me to upgrade my account security. It might ask me to turn on two-factor authentication. As you can see, it is asking me to two-step verification process. Basically it is asking me to turn on this setting, right? So if you don't turn on this setting, you'll be not able to log in. Basically you will be not able to access your campaign manager. As you can see, this window or this dialog box has been appeared and it is not getting disappeared unless I turn on this option, right? So obviously it is good for your account security. So let me just turn on this two-factor authentication option. So for that I've just click on setup, and now I have to enter the verification code which I received in my Gmail account and hit the submit button. And now I have to select whether I want to go with the authenticator app or SMS. I do have two options. Now whatever the option suits you, you can go with. Like if you want to go with authenticator app, you need to install an authenticator application into your mobile phone, and there you receive a code every time you are getting login into your LinkedIn account, and you need to enter that code here every time, right? Otherwise you get the SMS option where you will receive an OTP every time whenever you are trying to log in into your LinkedIn account. Now you might know the SMS option very clearly because this is pretty simple, right? You just need to enter your mobile number and you will receive an OTP every time you are trying to log in into your LinkedIn account. But we don't know about authenticator application, so let's choose this one. Hit the continue button, enter the password, and here it is asking me to install Microsoft Authenticator, right? So I can just install Microsoft Authenticator in my mobile phone, and then I can add the account, and this is the secret key which I need to keep it with myself. Basically, this secret key should be saved in my wallet or vault or anywhere else where if the authenticator app or the mobile gets lost, then I'll be able to use this secret key to in order to log in into my LinkedIn account, right? Because this is the only way. If you are not able to log in with your authenticator app, then this is the only way. The secret key is the only way to log in into your LinkedIn account. Otherwise there's no any other way, right? So I'm just opening my Microsoft Authenticator app, and just I'm adding one account. So guys, as you can see, the two-factor authentication or the verification option has been turned on in my account right now. Now the window which was appearing here is automatically gone now, right? So this is how you can create your own campaign manager account, right? Let me close this. Yeah. So this is how this campaign manager account looks like, and here tons of options are here. We are going to learn about these options, and in the top left hand side corner you will be able to see your account name and the account number, and here you will be able to see on hold. On hold is basically because we need to set up some other things as well in this account, like billing and all. So in the upcoming videos we'll be learn how to set up billing and extra details in this account so that we can totally activate and run campaigns through this account, right? So let's wrap up this video here. This was just to show you the tutorial on how to create campaign manager account on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to make you understand about a very important topic, and that is how to set up billing in LinkedIn ads. That is campaign manager account. So in the previous video, I have already shown you how to create a LinkedIn campaign manager account, but it was just a campaign manager account creation process. How to set up billing in that campaign manager account, I'll show you in this particular video. So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn platform and learn about this. Guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my LinkedIn account. Now first I need to access my campaign manager account, and for that I can click on this advertise button, which I can see in this menu bar. Otherwise, if you're not able to see this advertise button, you will be able to see this advertise button here, right? But once you create your campaign manager account, that advertise button uh, changes its location from here to here at the top of the menu. So let me click on this advertise button, and once I click on advertise button, I'll go to my campaign manager account, as you can see here. And here, this is, I have account. You can create multiple accounts, but I do have only one account. And if I click on this campaign manager account will open. Now here you can see that it is on hold because of billing. I haven't set up the billing method yet. Once you set up the billing method, you will be able to create campaigns and run ads on the LinkedIn platform, and obviously you will be able to bring sales, you'll be able to bring leads, conversions, whatever you want, right? Now in order to set up billing, you need to go to end of this menu, this left hand side menu, and click on this account settings. And when you click on this account settings, you'll be able to see billing center. So let's click on this billing center, and here you need to add your credit card in order to pay the ad spent to LinkedIn, right? So let me click on add credit card, and here on the second option you can add your business information, right? So first let me add the credit card here. So you need to enter the business name, you need to enter the region and all. So let's enter first business name. So business, let me just enter it, Marketing Fundas, right? So this is the business name, region is India, F12, I'm adding the address, Delhi, then postal code, then state, and this is the business information. Hit the save button. Once the business information is set, As you can see, this is the one which I have entered and this is the suggested one, right? So I'm going with the suggested one because both are same. Yeah, both are same. Let's go with this one, the suggested one. Once it's saved, you need to add the card details so that you can set up the billing and you can ultimately run your ads. So here's my detail, basically the first name, last name, and then you need to enter the credit card or debit card details. Even you can go with the debit card as well in India. So basically in India we are getting debit card option as well, right? So it depends on country to country. Maybe in your country debit card option is not there, right? But in India we do have, right? So now let's enter the card details over here and proceed further. After adding the card number, let me add the expiration date and then the security code, then the country, and then the postal code again. And here we do have one more option, which is GST, and this is basically for the Indian businesses, and this is totally for the tax purposes, right? If you want to get the exemption or input back from the government of India, right? After adding your card information, just hit the review order button, and once you hit the review order button, let me close this, you will be able to see that you are into the next step where you need to agree and launch campaign. So when you click on agree and launch campaign, this will take you to the bank's page. As you can see, where you need to enter the OTP and your card will be connected to your account. So I have skipped that part, that OTP part, and as you can see my card has been connected over here, and if I click on manage card, I'll be able to see my card. Let me click. So it is asking for the password again, and then you need to add the code which you have received in your mobile phone. So let me enter the code here, because obviously the card details are pretty important details. That's why it is asking you to log in it again, right? Now here, as you can see, my card details has been added, and now I can run my ads on LinkedIn platform. So this is how you can do the billing setup in your LinkedIn campaign manager account, and then you can run your ads. I hope you understood the process. The process is pretty simple. You don't need to watch this video even twice, but if you are still confused, you can watch it twice or thrice. It is totally up to you, right? It is free, it is on YouTube, so go and watch the video again if you haven't understand yet. Now if you do like the video, you can hit the subscribe and like button. Also you can share this whole course, whole playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing, whether it is organic or paid. So let's take a leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to do LinkedIn ad account setup in your campaign manager account. So in the previous videos, we have created LinkedIn campaign manager account. Now in that campaign manager account, we need to create multiple ad accounts in order to run ads for different purposes, different clients, and different projects, right? So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn ad account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my LinkedIn profile, and now I'm going to click on this advertise button, right? Because I have already created the campaign manager account. That's why this advertise button is showing here in the menu itself, right? Now once I click on advertise, I'm into the campaign manager, and in campaign manager I can see this account over here which is created over here. So basically this is the ad account. Now if I want to create multiple ad accounts, so either I can click on this button, and once I click on this create button, I can click on account, and here I'll be able to create the account by filling all these details like account name, currency, and the associated LinkedIn page with this particular for this particular ad account, right? Otherwise I can click on this ad account as well, And as you can see, this one is totally active because we have added the billing. Now you can click here, and again you can click here as well, create new account. Both options are same. You will be redirected to this option only. Now here you can name the account. So let's say I'm adding demo mf ads, right? Here you can set the currency. So this time I'm going with the USD, and here you can add the page as well. So I do have only one page, which is this one, right? So I was basically I do have only one page in this account, that's why I've selected that only, right? But it is suggested to use different pages for your different ad accounts, right? So that you can separately manage all the things. Now once you are done with all these details, just hit the create button and your account will be created. The new account will be created. Now it is showing on hold because we haven't set up billing yet for this particular account, but the account has been created, right? Now if you go back to campaign manager, let me go back. Let me directly click here on the advertise section, and here we land on the campaign manager. And here now you can see two accounts, and in the same way you can create multiple accounts for multiple projects, multiple clients, multiple purposes, right? I hope you understood the process and you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, you can share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing. And with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to install an insight tag into your website so that you can track all the activities of your website directly from your LinkedIn ads account. And this is very important in order to track your conversions, in order to track your all events, that how many website visitors we got and how many sales we got, how many conversions we got, right? It is moreover like the Facebook pixel code or Google's tracking code, right? As we do with the Google's tracking code and Facebook pixel code, same we have to do with the LinkedIn's insight code as well. So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn account and generate one code, or you can say insight tag, and paste it into our website. So guys, I'm into my LinkedIn account right now. So directly click on the for business option and click on advertise so that we can log in into our campaign manager. And once we are into our campaign manager, you need to select your ad accounts. So let me click on the active one. And now in ad accounts, you get these options. And these are the group campaign groups over here, right? Now in the ad account option, you not ad account option, you get the ad account into your campaign manager, and you get insight code on the ad account level itself, right? As you can see, we are into the ad account right now, and here you will be able to click on, first you need to click on the analyze option in the left hand side menu, where you'll be able to see plan, advertise, test, and then analyze. So this is a drop down menu. Once you click on this, you get three options: insight tag, website demographics, and conversion tracking. So let's click on insight tag first. And once you click on insight tag, you will be able to see get started by clicking an insight tag. So we haven't created an insight tag in this account, that's why it is asking me to create first. So create insight tag, agree and continue. And here you get three options. The first one is I will install the tag myself. So if you are capable to install the tag by yourself, you can use this option. The second option is if you have a developer who manage your website on your behalf, so you can directly send the code to your developer by using this option, right? And the third option is I will use tag manager. So this is the option for Google's tag manager, because many advertisers use Google's tag manager in order to manage multiple tags. So they directly paste the code into the tag manager, and the tag manager have access to the site. So this is how they can those inside tag can track the website, right? So I'm going with the most popular method, which is I will install the tag myself. And once you click on this, here is the code, right? You just need to copy this, and if you hover your cursor over here, it is saying that copy the code to clipboard. So if I click on this, the code is copied. Right now I just have to go to my website and paste this code into the head section of my website. As you can see here, paste the tag inside code below in your website's global footer, right above the closing HTML body tag. Adding the tag to the footer will let you track conversions, retarget on any page across your whole website. So you have the option. If you want to paste the code into the footer section, you can go with it. Otherwise you can paste the code into the header section as well, right? The thing is, header or the footer should be available or should be same into the all page of your website, right? If the header section is getting changed, or if some pages doesn't have the header section, then those pages will not be able to track, because we have pasted the code into the header section, right? This is why LinkedIn is asking us to add the code into the footer section, because nobody removes the footer section from any website's page, right? From any page of the website. That's why now it is totally up to you. If you want to paste it into the header section, you can paste it. If you want to paste it into the footer section, you can paste it. Now let's directly go to our website, which is this is the front end of our website. The website name is offerbazaar.store, and we are going to paste the code into this website, right? This is a dummy website which we are going to use, and this is the dashboard backend of our website. This is WordPress based website, and this is the backend of the WordPress. Right now, what I'm going to do, there's one manual method and there's one automated method. Not automated, that is kind of a pretty easy method, you can say, right? So the manual method is to go to appearance and go to theme file editor, and in theme file editor you will be able to see the header and the footer option, right? This is the header.php and the footer.php. So if you want to paste the code into the footer basically in the footer of your website, so you need to go to the footer.php and you need to scroll a little bit down, and this is the footer code where you can paste the code over here as well. You just need to add one extra line over here and you can paste it. Right now, same goes with the header.php option as well. Just click on the header and you can paste the code into the header section of your website, or the head section of your website. Now you might get confused that where to paste. Can I paste it here? Can I paste it here? No. Head opening is this one, right? As you can see, bracket and then head, then bracket closing, and the head closing is this one, right? So you need to paste the code between these two green head text, right? So what you can do is you can create a line over here. So this will be, if I paste the code here, this will come between these two head sections, right? So this will add into the head section, right? You can't paste it here or anywhere, right? You just need to paste the code into these between into these text, right? So you can paste it here by just clicking paste button and just update the file, and the code will be live into your website. Now the second method which you can follow is pretty simple. You just need to go to the plugin section, and in plugins directly click on add new, so that you can add new plugin into your website. And this is the plugin store where you can find some free plugins, and here you just need to write header, right? Header or footer, whatever you want to write, you can write it header, and you'll be able to see that these are the plugins which can help you to paste the code directly into your website without by editing the code manually, right? So let's use this one, which has around 2 million active installations. So let's use this one, WP Code, and hit the active button. And now let's see whether the plugin is installed. Is not. Yes, this is the plugin, code snippet. Now click on the header and footer option. When you hover your cursor over here, you will be able to see header footer. So directly click on header footer, and now here you see the header option and the footer option. If you paste your code here, let's see, I have pasted the code over here, and if I click on save changes, this code has been pasted into the header section of my website, and same goes with the footer section, and this is the body section, right? So if you want to paste it on the footer section, you can paste it like this, same, right? So this is how you can paste the insight tag into your website so that you can track events, you can track conversions directly from your LinkedIn account. I hope you understood the procedure. I hope you like this video. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Guys, in the previous video, we have pasted the LinkedIn's insight tag in our website so that we can track conversions, we can track sales, lead form submissions and all from our website. Now, in this particular video, we are going to set up conversion tracking so that we can track all those things which I'm talking about, right? So if you have just pasted the insight tag into your website, then this tracking thing is not going to work. You need to set up conversions for order, set up conversions for lead form submission and any kind of other activity. So let's directly jump into our LinkedIn platform and set up the tracking conversion. So guys, as you can see, this is our website, and this is the backend of our website, which is based on WordPress, right? Now let's go to the LinkedIn platform. This is the LinkedIn platform, and I have to go to LinkedIn advertise, right? So I'm into the campaign manager. Once you are into the campaign manager, you need to open the ad account from which you want to do the tracking, right? So I'm going to use the active one. Now in the left hand side menu, you will be able to see the analyze option, which is the drop down menu. You have to click on it once, and here you will be able to see the insight tag which we have already created and pasted into the head section of our website. Now we need to go to the third option, which is conversion tracking. Click on this, and you need to click on create conversion. Now it is asking that which type of conversion you want, website tag conversion or you want to import conversions. So obviously we want to create it, and this should be website tag conversion. So click on this. Now you need to enter the name of your tag. So here you need to understand that what are the thing we are going to track so that we can determine that that is the sale or that is the lead form submission. So whenever a person or a customer, the visitor, adds any product, let's say this is this assorted coffee, right? So whenever the user add this to their basket or to their cart and then they place the order, they will be redirected to the thank you page, right? You might know that whenever you are on an e-commerce website and you place an order, once you place the order, the payment is completed, you will be able to basically you will be redirect to the thank you page. So that thank you page is for the tracking purposes. So whenever the thank you page appears in the website, that means there is one conversion. Same goes with the leads. Let's say you are running a service based websites and you need leads. So whenever your visitor opens your lead form and they submit their information and hit the submit button, there will be a thank you page or thank you window appear in your website. So we are going to track those thank you pages so that we can determine that 10 times those thank you pages has appeared in our website. That means our visitors have purchased 10 times from our website, or maybe they have submitted leads 10 times in our website, right? So this is how we track conversions, right? Now let's again go back to our tag conversion creator. So here we need to enter the name of this conversion tracking, basically conversion tag. So again, let's use this thank you page. right? And here you need to define the key conversion behavior you want to track. So what will be the, so this time we are going with the purchase one, and you can follow the same process for the leads for. So these are the actions, basically the conversions for leads, like apply job, book appointment, complete sign up, download, install lead and all. So these are for leads and these are for sales, and some others are here as well. So in sales section I'm going to with the purchase option. So this is basically I'm creating a purchase tracking, or you can say purchase conversion tracking. Now set the value of the conversion. So here you can set a specific value of a single conversion. So in my website, if I show you, let me go to the site once. So if I show you here, you will be able to see that every product has different value. This one has $35, this one has $15, $19, $25. So what I'm gonna do is, to make the things pretty simple, I'm going to add it only $1 over here, so that I can just find out that how much conversions I have got, and then I can check the total amount in my website's backend, because I do have the access to my web backend as well, right, to my e-commerce website backend. So there I can check that how much total revenue I got, and here I can check total number of conversions, right? So that's why I have added only one. So if I got one purchase, the value I'll be able to see $1. If I got two purchase, the value I'll be able to see $2, right? This is how I have done here. Now here you can set the time frame, so I'm not going to do anything here. You can leave it as it is. This is basically the time frame when you want to conversion to be counted. In clicks should be in last 30 days, 90 days, 7 days or 1 days, whatever, right? And views should be 90 days, 30 days, 7 days. So I think 30 days and 7 days is good option. Now the last option we have, last touch. So let's say you are running multiple campaigns. So whom or which, to which campaign you want to give the credit for the conversion? To each campaign or to the last campaign by which the customer got converted? So it is totally up to you. I'm going with the each campaign option, right? Because credit should be goes to every campaign, because the user have at least watched the ad, right? Now after filling all these informations, hit the next button, and here you need to select the campaign for which you are setting up the tracking. Basically it is asking that select the campaign you want to track, with the conversion. So right now we don't have any campaign, we are just creating that conversion right now. So if you have already created the campaign, so you can search here and you can select that as well, right? Basically you can select the campaign status from here as well, so you'll be able to search the campaign. So right now we are going to directly going to the next step without selecting any campaign, because we are creating conversion right now. Now here you have two options. Either you can go with Google's tag manager, otherwise you can use the manual option. So in instead of tag manager, we do have other tag managers option as well, like Floodlight tag manager, Adobe tag manager, then Telium tag manager. So at least 5 options you have in, if you want to use any tag manager, right? But we are going with the manual method, because manual is pretty simple if you don't want to use any other third-party tool, right? So when you click on manual setup conversion, you'll be able to see inside tag code. So click on this, and once you click on this, you'll be able to see this code over here. So copy the code. Once you copy the code, you'll be able to see the next step where it is asking you to paste the code global footer, because footer is the constant thing on every page of your website, because in some websites the header sometimes changes or header sometimes disappears, but the footer is the constant thing. That's why it is asking you to paste the code into the footer section. But if you want, if you know that your website have the static headers, then you can paste this code into the head section of your website as well, right? So we have copied the code, and now let's go to the dashboard of our website. And you have two methods to paste the code. Either you can go directly to the appearance and the theme file editor, which I have shown you in the last video. If you don't know, you can check out the previous video in our playlist, right? LinkedIn marketing course playlist. So here you do have the footer and the header option, so you can paste it here. Otherwise you have the plugin option as well, by which the process will be a bit simple, right? So if you want to manually paste the code, right now we are in the head section. So if you want to paste the code into the head section, so let me show you the open head and closing. So this is the opening of the head and this is the closing of the head, right? So you need to paste the code between these two things, opening and closing, right? So you need to paste the code between these two things. And this is the footer option. You can paste the code into the footer as well, global footer, right, as described in here. Now you can use the plugin as well, as I have installed the plugin. Let me show you one. This is the code snippet plugin, right? So in code snippet plugin, what you can do is you can directly go to the plugin, and if you don't know how to install the plugin, go to the plugins option in your WordPress, click on add new, and here you can search code snippet and you'll be able to see the plugin. You just need to hit the install button and the activate button, and the plugin will be activated into your WordPress site, as like this we have, right, code snippets. Then in code snippets you just need to hover your cursor over here and you will be able to see these options. So just click on header and footer. So as it is asking us to paste the code into the footer, so let's paste it into the footer part. So let's paste it and hit the save changes button, right? So we have pasted now. Now let's go back here, and here you need to define your conversion tracking method. So now we need to define the conversion, how you want to track the conversions. So we are creating this for sales conversion, right? So in the sales conversion, the thank you page should be loaded. Once the thank you page appears in the screen, it means there's one conversion, or we can say that someone has purchased a product from our website. So there is two options. You can go either with page load option, which I'm talking about. Otherwise you have this event specific option, which can be done by your developer. You need to use this code into the button, purchase button, and you will be able to track with this event specific option. But this time we are going with the page load option, which is pretty easier and can be done by anyone, right? And this is a bit hard and mostly developers use this method, right? So we are going with the page load method. Here we don't want to go with starts with, we are going with the is equals to, because is equals means the value which we are going to provide here is equals. That means that is the conversion page, not conversion page, that is the thank you page, and there is a one conversion, right? Now let me go back once again to our website. Let me click on new tab. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place one order by myself so that I can see that thank you page, and then I'll copy the link of that thank you page and paste it there, right? So add basket, then view basket, click on view basket button. Okay, proceed to checkout, not now. And you need to enter all the details, test. Okay, every detail has been already filled over here, right? So these are the totally demo details. Now the payment method is cash on delivery. So let's place the order. Now as you can see, the order has been placed, and this is the thank you page, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this page's link, so that whenever this kind of page appears, LinkedIn will think that there is one conversion or someone has purchased a product from our website. Now what you have to do, you just need to copy this much of your link, because this is from here after the / this is the data of this particular purchase, right? As you can see, order number 5524, and then the key is equals to WC order and the extra data. right? So I just have to copy this much keyword. Oh, not keyword, URL. If I copy this and paste it to Google, you will be able to see only thank you page. You'll be not able to see the data, extra data of the purchase, right? As you can see, so this is the simple thank you page without any data. Thank you, your order has been received, like this. So let's copy this URL and paste it here and click on create. And once you click on create, it is showing unverified. But after some time, you will be able to see the data and you will be able to see that it is tracking your website as well. Right, so this is how you can create conversion tracking into your website. I hope you understood the process. I hope you learned from this process. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
With follower ads, you can promote your LinkedIn page to increase your followers. It is one of the effective campaign types to increase your follower ads. It offers personalized ads to each member, and those members only sees the personalized information, not other members. Members can also opt out of allowing their profile information to be used to personalize ads. So let's create a followers ad campaign.
So guys, as you can see right now, I have logged in into my LinkedIn profile, and here you can see the example of the follower ads. As you can see, SoftBank's ad is going on right now. It is showing that Saurav, you might like to follow SoftBank Group Corporation. So this is how the follower ads looks like. If I click on this follow button, I will automatically be following SoftBank. Let me show you by just clicking the follow button. Now as you can see, I'm already following up. Basically I'm already following them, and this is the page of SoftBank. So this is how you can, or your viewers also can follow you. Now let's understand, or let's learn the process of creating this followers ad. For that you need to click on this business icon and then click here on the advertise button, and we'll be into the campaign manager, right? So once you are into the campaign manager, you need to select the account. This is the campaign manager account. Let's click on this. And once you are here, you need to select any campaign group. Basically, this is the first part of creating your campaign or ad. Basically, in campaign group, you can segregate, or you can manage multiple campaigns. Let's say you are providing different kind of services or different kind of products. In that case, you can create separate campaign groups for those campaigns, right? And on those campaigns, you can create multiple ads. This is how the hierarchy works. Now let's create one new campaign group. Otherwise, you can use these campaign groups as well. But if you don't have related campaign group, you can create new one. There's no issue. So let's click on the create button and click on create campaign group, and here you can name this campaign group. So I'll be writing MFG Marketing Fundas Global campaign group. Okay, here not, I have to write follower ads campaign group. So this is what the name I have given to this campaign group, and here I'll be turning off the group objective, so that I can individually set these options, right? Basically, I'll be setting these options on a campaign level, like the group objective, budgeting and scheduling. I'll do all these things on a campaign level. So just hit the create button after naming this, and as you can see, changed, saved successfully, which means the campaign group has been created. Now what I need to do is I need to find that campaign group in the list, so that I can create a campaign under that campaign group. So it might be in the second list. Yeah, here it is. MFG Marketing Fundas Global Follower Ads Campaign Group. Just click on this campaign button so that I can create a campaign under this campaign group. Now you'll be able to see this is the campaign group which we have selected. If you want to change, you can click here. Otherwise, just hit the next button. You don't have to do anything. Now here you need to name this campaign as well. So here I'll be writing MFG follower ads campaign. Yeah, this is the name I have given. After this, we need to select the objective. So whatever the objective you have, you can select. I'll go with brand awareness, right? After selecting brand awareness, you'll be able to see the forecasted result here and the target audience size as well, which is more than 11 million, I guess. Yeah. Now, after objective selection, we are into the audience section where you can create your target audience. So first you can go with the saved audiences which you have saved in your previous campaigns, right? But if you don't want to go with the saved audience, then you can go with this audiences option, which is nothing but uh, a list of different audiences created by LinkedIn itself. Like if you want to target people who are or who have bachelor's degree available on LinkedIn, you can directly select this attribute or select this type of audience, and LinkedIn will automatically target those audience. Right now, people who have expertise in biotechnology, expertise in Bitcoin and blockchain, computer science, HR professionals, computer experience professionals. So these are the options you have. But if you're not able to find any relatable interest or relatable thing in this list, then you can create your own audience as well. So in order to create our own new audience, first we need to select the target location where we want to show our ads. So for that, we need to select this option so that we can edit the locations, because the whole country has been selected here. So let's remove this, and here we can select multiple cities, multiple areas, multiple countries. It is totally up to you. Even you can select multiple cities from different countries as well. Like I'll go with Delhi, which is the capital city of India, and then Ontario, which is a state, or you can say province in Canada, right? And I'll go with New York, which is one more city in United States, and then I'll select Germany, which is the whole country. So this is what the targeting I have done over here, right? I can select Canada as well. This is totally up to you, right? Now here we do have one more thing, like if you want to target recent and permanent, basically people who were recently in those locations will be targeted, and the permanent residents of those locations will be targeted. But if you don't want to target recent people, then you can go with this option only, where only the permanent residents will be targeted only, right? Now after this, after you are done with your targeting, just hit the close button and your targeting is done. Now if you want to exclude something, like if I click here and search Montreal, right? So Montreal is a city in Canada. As you can see that I have selected Canada, the country, whole country in my targeting, but I don't want to show my ads on the Montreal city in Canada. So basically what LinkedIn will do right now, it will show my ads to the whole country of Canada except Montreal, because it is in my exclusion list. So this is how you can do. Even you can do location exclusion as well. Like I don't want to show my ads on South Delhi. As you can see, the whole Delhi city is selected, but I don't want to show my ads on South Delhi. So I have added into the exclusion list. This is how you can do the exclusion. Now after that, you need to select the language of your audience, like whatever the language they speak, you can select here. In my case it is English, so I'll leave it as it is. Now who is your target audience? So here you need to define your target audience. By default, there are three attributes already set. Who are interested into arts and design, engineering and marketing will be targeted, will be able to show your ads. But if you click on this icon, you'll be able to edit these attributes. So basically I'll remove all these attributes and I'll go to this audience attribute option, where I'll be able to see company, demographics, education. Basically I can target on the basis of company, demographics, education, job experience and interest and traits, and these are the categories, right? If I click here, I'll be able to see subcategories as well, and in some subcategories there are subcategories as well. right? Now let's say I want to target on the basis of company growth. I can select these companies, not 3 to 10%, only 10 to 20 and 20 plus percent, right? So as you can see, I'm targeting now on the basis of company growth. Now after this, I can go back to home. I can again click on company. Now this time I'll be going with company names, and here I can select Meta, and I can select Amazon AWS, Microsoft, Twitter, Pinterest, Apple. So basically people who works in these organizations, these companies will be targeted, and my target audience size is more than 10 million, so it is good enough. I can again go back to home, and I can target on the basis of their job experience, their job titles, and here I can search like marketing, and here I can search those. I mean I can add those job titles: marketing, marketing manager, director, assistant, intern, then executive, sales manager, and vice president as well. So this is how I can do my targeting on the basis of job title, company names, and company growth, and even you can do more if you want. Otherwise you can close it and your targeting is done. Now if you want to narrow it down, you can click here, and if you want to exclude some, as like I have done with the location, you can click here. Now after this, we do have this reset button. If you have messed up with your audience, you can click on this reset button, right? And here we do have the summary button, where you'll be able to see all the summary about your customization, audience targeting, right? Now here we do have this save button. By clicking here, you can save this targeting for your future use. Like you can use this targeting in your future campaigns as well. So the name of this followers ads, audience. So this is the name I have given. Just hit the save button. If you want, you can add the description as well, and here you will be able to see that list. Now you got to know the use of this audience, saved audience option, right? Now once you are done with your audiences, we are into the ad format, and here we are going to select the follower ad format, right? Because we want to gain some followers. So just select this and scroll a little bit down, and here you'll be able to see the placement option directly, right? So in placement option, LinkedIn is by default set. You can't do anything with the LinkedIn because we are creating ad on LinkedIn, so definitely our ads are going to show on LinkedIn, right? But you get one more option, which is LinkedIn audience network, which is nothing but a list of third-party sites and applications, mobile applications, who have partnered with LinkedIn and have rights to show LinkedIn ads on their platform, but follower ads are not suitable for LinkedIn audience network. So you can't select this box. Basically, you can't check this box, right? As you can see, so there's no use of placement in these type of campaign, right? Now after this, the placement, we are into the budgeting and scheduling, where you can set your budget on a basis of daily and lifetime, then daily, and then lifetime. So if you go with daily, lifetime, you can set daily and lifetime budget as well. Once the lifetime budget reaches, campaign will automatically stop. Then we do have this daily, which is the most convenient one, and then the lifetime budget, where you can set the lifetime budget, and once the lifetime budget reaches, again campaign will stop. Again, you can set the start and the end date in lifetime budget, so that LinkedIn can equally distribute the amount into the days you have selected. I'll go with the daily budget, and I'll select $200 as my daily budget, and I'll not go with start and end date. I'll just select run campaign continuously. So if you are going with this option, it means you need to manually stop the campaign, otherwise it will automatically charge your card, and someday your bank is going to be empty, right? So keep this thing in mind. After this, we are into the bidding option, where in the optimization goal there is only one option, impressions. You can't do anything with this, right? But in the bidding strategy, we do have the amount which you can set here for 1000 impressions, for per 1000 impressions. So the suggested amount is 15.3 to 16.9 for per 1000 impressions, but it is totally up to you, like how much money you want to spend for per 1000 impressions. But if you go below 15.3, then the result or the performance will affect drastically, right? So keep this thing in mind. So I'll go with the suggested one. I'll don't do anything with the bidding option. Right now, in the conversion tracking, it is not compulsory and even not important in uh, this type of ad campaign, right? This is basically for conversion ads like sales or lead generation, right? But in the follower ads campaign, I don't want to use this, so I've just simply removed this. Also, you can see it is totally optional. But if you want to learn about conversion tracking, you can check out our previous videos where I have thoroughly taught about conversion tracking. You can check out LinkedIn marketing playlist. Right now, once you're done, just hit the next button, hit save, and your campaign customization is done. Now it's time to create one ad. As you can see, create an ad for your campaign. So just click here, create new ad. Here it is showing your first name, company name is hiring. So the first name will be changed automatically. That's why it is showing like this, percentage first name percentage. So it gets changed according to the data. Let me, yeah, because it was exceeding the limit. Now the company name is Marketing Fundas Global, and this is how it is looking. Jane, Marketing Fundas Global is hiring, and this is for non-followers and this is for followers, right? So if you are a follower, if you are able to see this ad, you will be able to see visit careers. But if you are a non-follower, you'll be able to see the follow button, right? So keep this thing in mind. Now if you want to change the image, you can do that as well. The logo of the company, like I want to do it, just hit the upload button. Let's upload the new logo of Marketing Fundas. Let me find it out. Yeah, here it is. Now once it's uploaded, it will gonna look like this. Right here you'll be able to see your profile picture or the audience. Basically this follower ad is personalized ad where the name and the image is totally dynamic and it's changed according to the profile. Now here in the description part, you can change it to like whatever you want to go with. This is the description. Jane, stay informed on industry news and trends. If you want to go with like this, you've got the skill Marketing Fundas has the opportunity. So these are some templates you can use. Otherwise, if you want to go with the custom description, you can go with that as well. After this, you can select the call to action, visit careers for the followers, and visit company, visit job, visit life. So these are for the, like, who are the followers, right? And if you are not a follower, then the CTA is CTA is same. You can't change the CTA for the non-followers, right? So like visit company, here it is. So once you are done with the customization, you can just hit the save ad button and your ad is saved. Now just hit the next button and we are into the last process of campaign creation, which is review and launch. Here you just need to review all the settings, all the options and billing and all. Once you are done with your reviewing, you can just hit the hit the launch campaign button and your campaign will be launched. But if you don't want to launch it right now, let's say you you are going to launch it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then you can save this campaign by clicking here, save and exit, and your campaign is exited. So basically your campaign is saved, but you are exited. Now if you want to go back to that same page, first you need to find that campaign which you have created. Yeah, here it is, MFG follower ads campaign. Just click on edit and launch. You will be into the same page from where you can launch the campaign. As you can see, review and launch. Go all the way down and just click on launch campaign. I hope you understood how this process works. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing. Also, I can see in my YouTube studio that almost 93% of our audience haven't subscribed, right? So it is my humble request, please subscribe the channel so that I can bring more and more useful and helpful content for you. Now I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. A/B testing is one of the best way to find out the perfect audience for your brand, perfect ads for your brand, and even perfect ad placements for your brand. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you that how you can test your different audiences, different ad placements, and even different ads using A/B testing tool on LinkedIn. So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn account and find out how to run an A/B test. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my LinkedIn ads account, not LinkedIn ads account. This is the LinkedIn account. Now I need to log in into my ads account. So for that, I need to click on this business icon and then I'll click on this advertise option. Once I log in into the campaign manager of my LinkedIn, I can select the account. Let me click on the account basically which is active right now. So I'll click on this one, the active one. And now as you can see, I've logged in into my account, and here in the left hand side menu, you will be able to see a big button that says test. So this is for the A/B testing option. You just need to click on this button and here you'll be able to create an A/B test. So how you can create an A/B test? You just need to click on create test button, and here you'll be able to see two options, A/B test and brand lift test. So right now I'm going to use A/B test option, but in the upcoming videos I'll cover the brand lift test as well. But let's go with A/B test right now. So I clicked on A/B test, and when I click on A/B test, first you need to name this A/B testing, right? Then you need to select the variable that what you want to test. You want to test ad, you want to test audience, or you want to test placement. So basically, if you select ad, then the audience and placement will be the same, but the ad will be the variable. Basically, you need to create multiple ads so that LinkedIn can test that which is the best performing ad for your brand, for your campaign type. Then the second option is audience. In this case, the ad and the placement will be the same, but the audience will be variable, where you will be given multiple set of audiences, and LinkedIn will test that which audience is performing better, which audience is giving responses more, right? Then the third option is placement, where the ad and the audience option will be the same, but the placement will be different, right? Multiple placement will be there, and LinkedIn will test that which placement is working best for you. So if you click on this audience option, you will be able to see the summary, basically the number of audience or the number of budget. So if you select this ad option, you'll be able to see the audience size and the lifetime budget which you can add, right? So this is kind of a summary you see here. And then if you select audience, the summary will change, and if you select placement, again the summary will change. So whatever the option suits you, you can go with. Right now I'm going with the ad option, right? And with the same method, using the same method, you can select the audience and the placement option as well. So I'm going with the ad option, and here let me add the name of this test campaign as well, A/B testing campaign. So I'm writing demo A/B test, right? So this is the name I have given to this particular A/B testing campaign. And once you select the variable, you need to select the test budget as well. So you do have two options. You can set either daily budget or you can go with the lifetime budget. So it depends on you. Whatever the option suits you, you can go with. So let's say I'm going with the lifetime budget, and the recommended budget is around $2,100, but it depends on you that how much budget you want to spend. Let's say I want to spend only $1,000. So I've selected the $1,000, right? And when you select $1,000, and here you need to name the campaigns campaign A and B. So basically the budget will be distributed 50% budget has been distributed, right? So 500 will be spent on campaign A, $500 will be spent on campaign B. This is how it's done, right? Because you need to spend equal amount of money in order to find the best campaign, I mean best ad, right? Because we have selected the ad option. Now after this, after selecting these options, you need to like create an campaign like we do with any other campaign, right? The thing is we need to add the variant in this option, where on the other hand we don't get the variant, right? As you can see here, we get two variants, campaign A and campaign B, and this A/B testing option splits the budget into two parts, right? So this thing happened, this is the extra customization in A/B testing thing. Now whatever the name you want to add this campaign, you can add it, but I'm going with the campaign A and campaign B. This is more easy to understand, right? Now you can schedule the campaign as well, because we have chosen lifetime campaign, lifetime budget. So if you are selecting lifetime budget, so you have to select the start and end date as well. But if you go with the daily budget, so you can leave this end date, but in the lifetime budget it is mandatory to select the start and end date, right? So the start date is 12th month and basically 12th of December 2023, and the end date will be 21st of December 2023. So it is around 14 days. Here you will be able to see that your A/B test will serve for 14 days starting from Friday December 2020 Friday December 8 2023, and you'll spend no more than 2100. Oops, I need to change the amount, right? The amount will be $1,000, not $2,100, right? So $1,000 I'm going to spend on this particular A/B testing campaign. And here one more kind of a disclaimer has been mentioned, that a winning result is not guaranteed. Obviously there's no any platform that offers you a guarantee, right? So in the same way, LinkedIn also not offers you any kind of guarantee. It depends on you that how you have created your campaign, and if you done it correctly, then definitely you will get the results. Then some members may appear in both campaign, but our data and platform checks have shown that effect is generally insignificant. So it is basically kind of a again disclaimer that some of the audience can be in both type of campaign, basically both type of ads, but the impact of those audiences are totally insignificant, right? So this is what the option is. Now after selecting all these options, you just need to, let me delete this, yeah. Now just hit the next button and you will be into the objective section. So basically I have added all the campaign settings. After that you'll be transferred to the objective, then audience, ad format, placement, budget, scheduling. So these are the options we have to go through, right? So now the objective is to get leads. So in leads, basically leads, you'll be able to see the conversion section, right? So here we do have three options: awareness, consideration, and conversion. So whatever the option you want to go with, you can go with, right? So I'm going with the lead generation. After selecting the objective, now I'm transferred to the audience section, right? So as you can see, the objective has been set over here that I want lead, right? Now here you need to select the metric, that which kind of metric you want to select for this test. So it is cost per click, cost per 1000 impressions, which is CPM, then cost per video view, then cost per message sent. So I'm going with the cost per click right now, but it depends on you that with which option you want to go with, right? Now here one more thing you need to note, that I am not showing you the process, the proper process of campaign creation. I'm showing you that how you can use this A/B testing option, right? In the upcoming videos I'll show you how to create a proper campaign, although I'm showing you the overall method, that how you can create a campaign as well. But in in the upcoming videos I'll show you the in-depth process of campaign creation, right? Like if you go with the cost per click option, what can be the consequences? Then if you go with the cost per thousand impressions, basically cost per uh, milestone, CPM, what can be the pros and cons, benefits and demerits, and if you go with this or this, I'll explain you everything, right? After this you need to, so here I need to select the audience. If you haven't created yet, you can create one. Otherwise, you might have saved the audiences as well. Like I have shown you in the previous videos. If I click on this, see all audiences, right? You'll be able to see the saved audience. Then the basically if you have created the audiences, but we haven't created any audience, right? So I've already shown you how to create an audience, basically how to save your audience. So right now I'm going to select any of these templates so that I can go with. I've selected this one, select audience. Okay, now as you can see, the audience has been selected. Now I'm not going to do anything here because I'm not explaining you the campaign creation process, as I told you, right? So I'm just showing you how to use this campaign testing option, A/B testing option, basically, right? Now in the upcoming videos I'll again show you how to create a campaign, where I'll again cover the audience part, but still I've already covered that how you can save your audience which have who have interacted with your business already, or even you can create lookalike audience as well, and the custom audience as well. So you can watch our previous videos and you will be get to know, right? After selecting the audience part, you don't need to do anything here because we have already selected the preset audience, right? So just scroll a little bit and then we are into the ad format part, where you need to select two ad formats because this is an A/B testing campaign. So we are going to run two campaigns, basically two ads, right? Ad 1, or you can say ad A and ad B. So for that you need to select two types of ads as well, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select one single image ad and the carousel image ad. If you want, you can select the video ad. If you want, you can select the message ad. Whatever the option you want to go with, you can go, right? You just need to select two uh, ad formats from these six, right? So I'm going with the single ad image ad and carousel image ad, right? After this you need to select the placement. Basically the by default option is LinkedIn, and if you want to go with the LinkedIn audience network, you can click on this. But as you can see, this is not available because this is the A/B testing, and this A/B testing happens only on the LinkedIn network, not audience network, right? Now after this, after the audience option, we are into the budget and schedule. So again we got this option where you can name the campaign A and campaign B. So I don't want to do anything here. Scroll this option. Now here in the bidding option, you'll be able to see that you get two, and additionally you get three options, right? Maximize delivery, cost cap, and manual bidding enhanced. And just above that we do have one more option, which is optimization goal. So optimization goal is basically according to the leads, because we want lead generation, but if you want to change, you can change it. But obviously we are running lead generation campaign, so the optimization goal will be the leads, right? After this, in bidding strategy, we do have three bidding strategy. The maximum delivery is like LinkedIn will try to deliver the results as much as it can, but if you want to take control over basically if you want to take a bit more control over your campaigns, you can go with these two options. But this is for the advanced marketers who know that how much amount can be paid for a lead, right? So if you go with the cost cap option, you can select the cost per lead over here. But let's say in your industry the cost per lead is around $20 and you have selected only $10, then you will not get any of lead, even your amount will not also spend, right? So if you don't know that what are the industry norms or how much money you need to spend in your industry, I'll suggest you to go with the maximum delivery. And after getting some experience, after getting some data that in my industry people are spending this much and I need to spend this much amount to get a lead, right? And after cost cap, we do have again the third option, which is manual bidding, where you can select the cost per click amount as well, right? So this is the cost per lead, or you can say cost per conversion, and this one is cost per click, right? And the recommended cost per click is around 1.13, and the recommended cost per lead is around 15.48, right? But I'm going with maximum delivery. As I told you, if you don't know about your industry, that how much money you need to pay to get a conversion, you can go with the maximum delivery, so that you can get some data, get some idea. After this, we do have some conversion tracking as well. This is optional, but I've already shown you how to create conversion and how to track those things. So basically conversion tracking, right? So this is basically in order to track your conversions or your campaigns data, campaigns success, right? So if you have created already, you can select those, otherwise you can create new conversion as well, right? And if you don't know how to create this, you can watch our previous video in the LinkedIn playlist, right? After this, just hit the next button, confirm save. It will take a bit. And now we are into the ad creation process. So what we need to do is we need to create two variants, campaign A and campaign B, right? So here what you can do is either you can go with the create new ad, or if you have already published any content on your page, you can select that content as a campaign creative as well, right? So let me check whether I have published any content or not. I don't think I have published any. No, I haven't published any content on my page. So let me create a new. I'm not going to do uh, anything extra. I'm just going to click on create new, and I'm going to upload one image directly from my computer. It is getting loaded. And yeah, here first you need to name this ad. So I'm not going to name this ad because this one is optional, and we have already named the campaign, right? Campaign A ad, right? So here you need to add the introductory text. So I'm adding demo. This is how it is looking, right? Now the destination URL will be the marketingfundals.com. I'm pasting here, right? And here I need to upload the image. Let me click on upload, and I'll select one image from here. So I'm just selecting this lion image because this is totally demo, right? So after selecting this, you need to click on this add to library option, and this image will be added to your library. And as you can see, right, this image has been selected, and this is the AI powered recommendation. So there's no changes in the image, but yeah, you can go with this option. I've just selected and the image has been added to my ad, right? Now here I can add an alternative text. So again, I'm adding demo, and in the headline section I'm adding get a great digital marketing course. So I've written get a great digital marketing course, and in the description part again I'll add demo, right? Because this is totally demo. I'm just showing you, right? The campaign creation and the ad creation I'll show you in the upcoming videos more in depthly. Right here you can select the call to action, like you want to go with sign up, apply now, download, or whatever the option suits you, you can go with. So I'm going with the sign up option, and here you need to create one form as well because you are going with the lead generation. But I'm not going to create the form right now because this will take too much time. In the upcoming videos I'll show you how to create a form, right? So let me save the ad, and in the same way you need to create the campaign B as well before launching the campaign, right? It will take some time. So the ad first has been created. Now you need to create the ad 2, which is campaign B or ad B. Again, I'll click on create new, and this, if you remember, this one is carousel, right? So here I need to select multiple images. So again, in introductory text, I'll add demo. Here I'll add marketing fundas, and here I need to add multiple images. You can go up to 10 images, right? Minimum you need to add 2 images. So I'm adding, I'll click on upload icon this, and I'll add, let's take this girl image, upload one more. Let's take this one icon. Let's say I want to add one more, and this time I'll add this king. All right, so I've added 3 images in my carousel. Here I need to add the description here and the destination URL for this particular image. So the destination URL will be the same, but in the card headline I'm adding demo 1, and in description URL marketing fundas demo 2, and in the destination URL same. If you want, you can change it as well, right? That's why this option is given. Then in card 3 demo 3 and the destination URL, right? After this, again you have this form details option where you can select the form. Either you can create the new form, but I'm not going to do anything here. Save this ad. I've clicked on the save this ad button, and now both the ads has been created, right? I've just not created the lead form, but you can launch this campaign, right? Because this is totally demo. We don't need any lead from here, and we don't going to spend $1,000 for this campaign, right? Now after this, you just need to click on next, and everything is here. As you can see, it's just that it is saying that this is a lead generation campaign and you haven't created lead form and all of the following ad must have a lead gen form associated in order to launch your campaign, right? That's what it is showing. You need to create lead gen form, right? So this is how you can create the A/B testing campaign. Let me click on launch A/B test. When you click on launch A/B test, basically the launch A/B test is the last option, right? When you click on launch A/B test, your A/B testing campaign will be launched. But as I told you that I haven't created the lead generation form, that's why the ad I'm not able to add, I'm not able to launch the campaign, right? But what you can do is right now you can click on save and exit. So this is how it will look when the campaign gets launched, and here you'll be able to see the days left, the campaign name, and the data here, right? When you click on this, you'll be able to see the campaigns option, and after the 14 days of period, you will be able to see that which campaign has done good, which ad has performed better for you, and you can scale that particular ad for your more upcoming campaigns. So this is how you can create an A/B testing campaign. I hope you learned from this video. I hope this video you found this video helpful, and if you still have any question, query, or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. And I've already told you that if you haven't learned the proper campaign creation process in this particular video, definitely I'll come up with new videos where I'll show you the campaign creation process. This was just to show you the A/B testing process, right? So I've shown you the A/B testing process properly. Now let me take a leave. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.